On this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day using AI. This method is free, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money even if you don't have any experience or any skills. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, peopleperhour.com. On this website, you can create an account and join as a freelancer so that you can sell services on this platform to make money from home. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use AI to render the services, and we are going to be making the money for free. As you can see on the platform, there are different categories of services that you can render to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. When you come under the technology and programming, you can see these are the services that you can render to make money. You can see software testing, you can see data science and analysis, databases, social media app, you can see CMS development, you can see web development, and many others. When you come under the writing and translation category, you can see these are the things that you can do: creative writing, ghost writing, content writing, you can see translation, you can see CVs, cover letters, transcription, and many other services that you can render under this category. You can see under the design category, you can see these are some of the services that you can render to make money from home. You can see web design, fashion and clothing, animation, you can see label and merchandising, logo design, books and magazines, cars and stationery, and many others. Under the digital marketing category, you can see these are the services that you can render to make money from home. You can see influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO, you can see AdSense, web analytics, you can see viral marketing, and many others. Under video, photo, and image, these are the services that you can render to make money. You can see many of them. You can see under business, there are many services that you can render. When you come under music and audio, there are many services. You can see voice testing, you can see vocal coaching, music transcription, songwriting, music writing, music production, you can see DJ, audiobook, voiceover, and many others. So any of these services that you can render, you can create an account on this website to make money. You can see this one, marketing, branding, and sales. Under that category, you can see you can take surveys and make money. You can see strategy and research, direct marketing, branding, sales and calls, public relations. So whatever that you can do, you can use this platform to make money. Under the social media category, you can see Snapchat, WeChat marketing, YouTube marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing. These are easy services that you can render to make money on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to select any of them that you want. We are going to be using AI to do the work for us so that we can be making money. So I'm going to be using the design categories. When you come under the design category, there are many services that you can use AI to do the work for you so that you can be making money from home. For example, you can use an AI to design a logo and then give it to your customer so that you can be making money for free. So let me just use the logo to demonstrate for you to see. As you can see, high quality logo design services. Let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see people are designing logos and making money on this platform. You can see this person is charging $25 per logo that she designs. You can see this one is charging $50. This person is charging $55. When you scroll down, you can see this person is charging $20, $45, $40. So it depends on the amount that you are willing to charge. You can see this one $110 per logo. You can see this person is charging $30 per logo. This one is charging $30. You can see $65, $30, $20. As a score, you can see many others who are selling this kind of services. As you can see, a whole lot of them. The best part is that this platform is not so saturated, so you can get people to hire you to render the service and then make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account as a freelancer on this platform and then list your gig so that you can be making money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the AI that is going to do the work for you anytime you get a gig. The first AI tool that we are going to be using is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot that is capable of generating response just like humans. It can generate accurate response based on your prompt. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to create the logo ideas. So you have to type your prompt right here so that it can give you some logo ideas. For example, let me just type create logo ideas for a coffee business, something like this, coffee business. Just give a prompt like this. Once that is done, click right here so that it can generate the ideas for you. As you can see, sure, it is going to generate the ideas for you. As you can see, it is generating the ideas. You can see these are the ideas that it has generated. These are the logo ideas. It has generated up to 8 ideas. You can see everything. So now once you have the logo ideas, the next step is that you are going to create the logos. So we are going to use another AI tool that can create these logos for us for free without we paying for anything. The second AI tool that we are going to be using is Leonardo.ai. You can use this particular tool to generate any image that you want. In this case, we are going to use it to generate a logo. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can be using the tool to create whatever that you want. It is free for now, so you can use it wherever you are in the world. In this case, I'm going to log into my account so that I'll show you how you can use it to generate free logos. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see different images. In another video, I'll show you how to create an account and then set it up so that you can be using this particular AI tool to generate images. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to go straight to the point so that I can just show you how you can use it to generate the images. So now once you are on your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then you can see right here image generation. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Let me scroll down. You can see I've used it to generate this particular image. I've also used it to generate this particular image, and then these images I use this particular tool to generate them. You can see these images. So now what you have to do is that you have to type whatever that you want to generate. Your idea, you must type it here for it to generate the image for you. In this case, we want to generate a logo, so you have to copy our idea and then paste it right here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, you are going to copy any of these ideas that you want. So in this case, I'm going to copy the second one. You can copy any of them, or you can copy as many as you want and then generate the logos. Once you generate them, you can select the one that you want. So let me just use the second one to demonstrate for you. Once you copy your idea, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your idea right here, you are going to click right here, generate, so that it can generate a logo for you. You can see it is generating the logos. So we are going to wait for it. So let's wait for it. It is generating the logos. Let's wait for it. As you can see, these are the logo images that it has generated. You can see the logo images. So if you are not satisfied with these images, what you have to do is that you have to generate a different image. So we have several ideas, so we can go back and then copy one of the ideas and then paste it again so that it will generate different images for us. So let's go back on ChatGPT. Once you come back on ChatGPT, you can copy any of these. So let's copy the fifth one. So just highlight and then copy your idea. Once you copy your idea, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your idea, click on generate so that it can generate the images for you. As you can see, these are the images that it has generated. You can see these are the logo images. So you can just click right here, download. So if you want to add some details, you can just click on any of them and then edit it. So for example, let's click on this one. Once you select it, click right here to edit the image. Once you click on edit, you are going to see it like this. So now you can crop it. You can do whatever that you want to do with it. You can customize it the way you want. Once you customize it, you can then send it to your customer as a logo, and you are going to be making money. So make sure you create an account on people per hour. Once you create your accounts, you can be using Leonardo and then ChatGPT to create the logo for you for free, and you are going to be making money on this platform. Apart from peopleperhour.com, you can also come on guru.com and then create a freelance account. Once you create the accounts, you are going to list your service so that you can get people to hire you to design logos for them. And you are going to be using AI tools to do the work for you. You don't need to do it yourself. You don't need any skills to do it. So for example, you can see logo design. So when you click on it, there are many people who have listed their gigs on this platform and they are making money from home. You can see many gigs on this platform. So make sure you create your accounts on the websites so that you can be making money from home without any skills and without any experience. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.